Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tongue to Tummy with a new recipe of vanilla whipped cream cake. So here, as you can see, I have taken a 6-inch cake tin which I have greased with 1 teaspoon of oil with a brush so that the cake comes out easily out of the tin. Next step is to line a butter paper on the base of the cake tin. Next up, in a separate bowl, there goes in half cup maida, half cup powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Now sift the whole thing together, all the dry ingredients. Remove the lumps. Mix gently the dry ingredients very well. In a separate bowl, take 2 large eggs, 1 cup oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, and 1/4 cup of milk, which is at room temperature. Then give it a good mix and beat the whole thing till the eggs turn fluffy and the mixture becomes more than double in volume. Adding the dry ingredients in 2 batches. So here goes the first batch. Mix it well until it dissolves completely without leaving any lumps. In the same way, add the rest of the dry ingredients and mix well again. Pour the batter in the greased cake tin. So here I have an aluminium vessel. You can go for any other kadai for your oven setup. I have placed a stand in it and covered it with a lid and let it preheat for 5 minutes on medium flame. Now place the cake tin inside the vessel and cover the lid to bake. It's already 35 minutes, so I will have a check whether it is properly cooked. I will insert a skewer. Yes, it came out clean, so it's done. After taking out the vessel, let your cake cool completely and then gently turn the cake tin upside down and tap a little and slowly take out the mold out. Slowly take out the butter paper. So here you can see the cake came out to be very soft and spongy. Now we will divide it into layers with the help of a sharp knife. And yes, it came out so well. Now let's prepare for the icing part. For this, take 1 cup chilled whipped cream, half teaspoon vanilla essence, and yes, the cream is already sweetened, so I have not added any extra sweetener. Whip the cream to stiff peaks. I will beat it on high speed until the stiff peaks appears. Yes, now the cream is ready for icing the cake. So I will take a cake base and place some cream and stick a layer of the cake on it. Spray some water to make it moist and soft. You can also use sugar syrup for this. Now I am applying the whipped cream on the layer and will spread it evenly. And then goes the second layer. Tap a little and apply some cream in the gap of the layers. Sprinkle water same as we have done with the first layer and apply the cream. Similarly, apply the cream onto the sides. Fill the gaps with the cream. Now even it out with the help of a palette knife. Scrape off the extra cream with a scraper. Now level the top. So once it's ready, put it in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. This is the remaining cream to which I am going to add the pink gel food color and give it a good mix. You can add more color to it until you get the desired tone. This is the nozzle by which I will give a design on the cake, but you can go for any other choice of yours. Pipe along the bottom of the sides. Using the same nozzle, I am piping some cream on the top of the cake to give a good effect. Sprinkling some red and silver beads readily available in the shop like cake shops, and now our cake is ready. Give this recipe a try and share it with your friends and family, and post your feedback in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching.